So we're planting potatoes today, and usually we think about planting potatoes around early spring. Usually like St. Patrick's Day is the best time to plant potatoes. So we're a little bit late, but it's still gonna be great. It's still really cool outside. You wanna make sure your soil is about at least 45 degrees in temperature. You can check it with a soil thermometer or just a meat thermometer as well, and do that in the morning. The first thing you want to think about when planting potatoes is you buy seed pieces of potato. So these are available in any hardware store, big box stores. You can even buy them online right now, which is great. So we did go ahead and cut them up. Make sure each piece has an eye. And a lot of potatoes, any way you cut it, you'll usually have an eye. Lots of them have sprouts on them. So when you're putting them into your trenches, make sure the eyes go up, because that's where your plant is going to come out of. So make sure those are pointed up. For spacing, we did about, tried to do 1 per foot. We have rows, and we're trying to keep these at least 8 to 6 inches apart. We are planting 3 different kinds of potatoes, and there's lots of different kinds. We have a red kind, which is called Red Norland. It's really good for like boiling or like mashed potatoes. Then we have a Kennebec, which is a russet potato. It's really good for baking. They kind of have more of a mealy texture. So what we did is we are creating kind of little trenches about 2 inches deep and planting the potatoes, and then we're going to leave some space around them because potatoes need to be hilled. So that means we're just going to add some extra dirt around them so that none of their tubers burn in the sun. With potatoes, they do take a while to pop up, so just have some patience. They will come up, and then once the plant starts to grow, make sure that we're hilling them up, because their tubers will form along that main stem, and so you don't want those to get sunburned. So you can either bring in some extra soil to put around them or just kind of mound them up.